The first thing you should do when you open the iSuper Heli is charge it. In order to do that, you must take the charger, make sure the arrow is up, and plug it in the side of the iSuper Heli. With the other end, you can plug it into any USB port, including an iPod charger. When it's fully charged, a light will go on. In order to download the app, all you have to do is go to the Apple Store and type in iSuper Heli in the search, and it'll be the first one that comes up, and you just download it for free. And it downloads to the iPod, iPad, or iPhone, as long as you have Bluetooth. For both the large iSuper Heli and the small iSuper Heli, setup is exactly the same. First, you need to turn it on. Next, you need to go to your settings, your Bluetooth, turn it on, and seek the device. Then you need to pair it. And now you're almost ready to fly. The final step is to open the iSuper Heli app, and now you're ready to fly. Flying the helicopter. From the iHome homepage, launch the iSuper Heli application. Slide the left joystick, and the helicopter will start to take off. There are two ways to control the flying directions. Tilt the Apple device to control the helicopter. Touch the tilt button, and remember to toggle it if you want to use the joystick to control the helicopter. Slide the joystick on the right screen or right and left screen, up and down to move it. To adjust the sensitivity of the tilting, touch the music sign on the top part of the screen. Then adjust the accelerometer angle to the left. The bottom slider, called the trim, is for stopping the helicopter from spinning. The stop button. To stop the engine during an emergency, the helicopter will fall on the ground right away if you click the stop button. Safe landing button. For a slow landing on the ground, not a crash landing, but a slow landing, press the safe landing button. The record and play feature. In order to record, press the record icon, name your track, press OK, and then start flying. Toggle the record button after done flying. We've just recorded a flight pattern. Now we're going to play it back to show you what it looks like. You can delete recorded paths by touching the trash can button. Music button. The music button is for listening to music from your Apple device during the flight. It is also a settings button for the app configuration. To fly a second helicopter. From the iPhone's Bluetooth screen, touch the iSuper Helicopter label. Go to the Forget Device screen. On the next screen, select Forget this device. After removing the last iSuper helicopter, turn on the second helicopter. A new iSuper helicopter icon will appear in the iPhone's devices. Pair it with the helicopter. And from there, use the regular startup procedures to fly your second iSuper helicopter.